Hey everyone. So it's 38 degrees here and I'm checking on my compost pile. It's just oak leaves. I've been putting kitchen scraps in the center of the pile. I've already fed it twice. This is going to be my third time. Anyways, was going to bring you along because I poked in there just to see if it was warm, and boy, let me tell you, it's steaming. So that's good news. So let's get into this. All right, so like I was saying, it's cold out here, so I don't want to be out here all day, but I did want to document this for you guys. So I'm getting my hands cold, touching this cold phone instead of doing the work. But I said that I was going to share this with you, and I'm sharing it with you. So you better hit the likes button, because these thumbs are. See that? It's hot. It's good news. Whew, that's good news. You see that? That's kitchen scraps. An old book, hot peppers, pieces of squash. We got an avocado tree that I'm growing indoors. I've never really showed you guys that. It's 2 years old now. I'm bringing it in and out. Anyways, there's some crust. Your average kitchen scrap heap. I don't got chickens, so this is what I do have. Oak leaves. All right, thanks for watching. I hope this gets you excited to make your own compost. I'm using oak leaves. This is one of the most difficult things to compost down, but I'm able to use my kitchen scraps with the oak leaves. I think we're gonna have a lot of hot compost very soon, and we're gonna have a lot of nice soil for next year's gardening. So thanks for watching. This is 100% free materials that I sourced. You can do this. You can compost without paying $1. Let's go. Oh, my hands are so cold.